So let's try problem number 5 here, and of course we start off trying our luck with the plug-in method. X is going towards negative infinity. That makes this negative infinity times the square root of infinity square, negative infinity square, which becomes positive infinity, plus 1 minus negative infinity. That of course becomes negative infinity times infinity plus infinity, which becomes negative infinity times infinity, which of course becomes negative infinity. So the limit is clearly negative infinity, and you're done. There was some controversy here. I think I should maybe say a word or two about this, because some people decided to go. So there was some controversy here with one proposed solution where this one was written as the square root of x squared times the square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared minus x, and that was done with the intent of factoring out the x out of both of these terms and making the stuff inside the parentheses a bit simpler. So the next step is absolutely crucial here. The next step goes like this. This becomes x times the square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Sorry, that's still minus x. And this step right here turns out to be problematic. This step is crucial, not really warranted, and the problem is right here. Is the square root of x squared really x? And the answer is not always. Not always can you do that. Because after that, some people decided to go with this step. So then you have x squared times, they factor both of these x and collect it with that one, square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared minus 1, and then they went on from there. But the problem is right here, and I should say a word or two about it. It is not always the case that x square root is equal to x. Take a simplest example here. For example, negative 2 square root is not equal to negative 2. This is not exactly true, because otherwise you'd say that the square root of 4 is equal to negative 2, which is not really true. So that becomes a problematic step right here. In fact, it's more true to say that if x is a real number, then the square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x. That would be true for any real value x. This one's not so true. It's only true for positive x's. And since x was going towards negative infinity, this creates a problem. So this step is not correct. Plug-in method would have worked well. This is dangerous stuff right here. Alright, that's it for that one. Let's go on and see if we can tackle problem number 6. I think we can.